Good morning to all of you. Right now we are heading from the Crystal Mosque to the Drogways, which is quite popular in Terengganu. Actually, it even looks more beautiful at night, but we cannot stay until evening because we have to continue our journey ahead. So we will enjoy as much as we can for now. So we just took some drone shots and just look around. It was good, nice windy at that time. So yeah.
Okay, bye, Captain Angel. So this is the morning, guys, and now we are heading to eat something. But this is Kuantan, actually, which is another city in Terengganu. And so last time we drive through, and then I came here. Yeah, it's very hot again, and luckily I just applied something on my face, sunscreen, which is gonna help me to protect my skin anyhow better than like before. So after this we are going for a waterfall, which is just 30 minutes from here, and after that we are heading back to the KL. Yeah, that's it. So keep exploring, and then it's good. Tomorrow is normal, back to work. Yep, that's it. Good morning to all of you. We are in Kuantan right now, which is the capital city of Pahang, as Captain Angel just mentioned to me. So if I'm wrong, just excuse me. So we're gonna have to eat something. Actually, the last night we had something, so we're trying to go back there and then get something. So this is
ये उड़ा रहा था उसकी, ये उड़ा रहा था. So where you want to go? More up?
Yes.
इधर से आओ ना.
हाँ. So that's the spot, guys. It's Terengganu Sungai Pandan Waterfall. Now I remember. I told you I will ask my friend and then let you know. So there's the waterfall and it's worth coming up. Yeah.
To share something with you, all of you, that the kind of fun enjoyment that comes from being with the people is something you can't get just from going to a place. And after all, in the end there is nothing much left, which is why I enjoy the journey as much as the destination. And so I'm taking along many memories with me: the road trip, the nighttime adventure, losing my bag on a boat, renting a bike, exploring the village, facing the challenges of finding food during festivals. Whatever it was, I'm going with all those experiences packed into beautiful memories. And thinking about this feels really good. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. See you in the next vlog very soon. Until then, take care and bye bye. Keep traveling.